Hello and welcome to Mr. Svensson's PE class. The first thing I want you to do with this class orientation is once you've made it to our class homepage, go ahead and scroll down and click this link, the class orientation assessment. Pause this video right now and do that. When you've got it open, push play again. All right, now the first question on that class orientation assessment will ask you, you should check your blank at least once each school day and actually read each message sent from your teachers. The answer is email. One word, E-M-A-I-L. You should check your school email at least once each school day and actually read each message from your teachers. Now, if you don't know how to check your school email, take a look at my contact information here. I've got a phone number. Send me a message, give me a call. I do get text to that phone number. I'd be happy to help you out with that. Question 2, if you have a question, you should reach out to me. You can find my email address and my phone number at the top of the class blank, and I just showed you the top of the class homepage. One word, H-O-M-E-P-A-G-E, class homepage. Here's my info right here, email address, phone number. Question 3, live classes are Mondays and Wednesdays in two blanks here. The answer is Class Connect. Class Connect. Here's how you spell Class Connect right here. C-L-A-S-S, new word, C-O-N-N-E-C-T. Question 4. If you miss a live class and want to catch up on what you missed, however, this will not count towards your attendance for the class. You have to attend live class to get that credit. Watch the blank. It can be found on the class homepage in the Class Connect recording announcement. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see a Class Connect video recording announcement. And the answer for question 4 is the word recording. Singular, not plural. So you spell that R-E-C-O-R-D-I-N-G. That's the answer for question 4. Question 5, if you want to get an accurate picture of what your grade is, you should click the blank tab. The answer is grades tab. It's right here. You click this grades tab and it takes you to this page. That is your page of the gradebook in this class. Top to bottom are the assignments in chronological order, except at the very bottom, it's got a few things that are extra, like the class orientation, which you're taking right now, the STAR 360, which you didn't take in this class, but you get points for in this class, and then the live session, that's just going to show if you attended or not. There is no quiz for live sessions in this class. So that answer, question 5, was grades, G-R-A-D-E-S. Question 6, all assignments can be found in the blank tab. Well, there's a couple of places you can find assignments, but this answer to this question is content, right here, content tab. If you click this, it'll take you to where everything can be located in this class, from the quiz you're taking right now to each individual unit for each individual week, and all the daily quizzes and weekly activity journals associated with those units. So that was question number 6. The answer was content, C-O-N-T-E-N-T. And you do have to spell all these correctly or else the computer will not think you got it right. Question 7. Your daily quiz must be completed once per two blanks here. The answer is school day, S-C-H-O-O-L, new word, D-A-Y. Your daily quiz must be completed once per school day. Next question, question number 8. Your weekly activity journal should be turned in on the blank day of each school week. That is last, L-A-S-T. That is the answer for number 8. Your weekly activity journal should be turned in on the last school day of each week. The answer for that, the reason for that, is very simple. I do not want to read about the activity you might do this week on like a Tuesday. Most school weeks end on Fridays. That's when I want you to turn in your weekly activity journals, last school day of the week, because I want to read about the exercise you did do, not what you plan to do. So that was question 8. Answer was last. Question number 9, and this is the last one. Blank is an acceptable PE activity, but it is not ideal for someone as young as you and should only be used if you are doing so at a brisk enough pace so that you break a sweat. The answer is walking, W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking, I'll be clear on this. You will get credit for your exercise activity in this class if walking is your chosen activity. However, it's not enough for someone at your age to do and get any physical benefit from it relative to what you could do for other activity. Jogging, swimming, lifting weights, playing basketball with your friends, going on a hike. All of these are much, much better choices than walking for your daily activity. You will still get credit if you select walking, but expect for me to be asking you about other activities you could be doing, challenging you to try something new, because someone at your age will not get much to any physical benefit from walking. It's better than sitting on the couch and doing nothing, but it's not even close to as helpful for you as any of those other activities I just listed. Okay? So if you do walking every day for your PE activity, I'm going to ask you about it. I'm going to challenge you about it because that's my job. I want you to do something that will actually affect your physical well-being. Walking is not it as a teenager. If you are 85 years old and taking this class, that would be cool because you made it to 85 years old. I hope we all do. But that would be beneficial to an 85-year-old, not a 15-year-old, not a 17-year-old, not a 20-year-old. Walking is okay for other stuff. It is not great for PE. All right, so if you have any questions about any of this, please give me a call, give me a text, or send me an email. And welcome to class.